Imagine a rainfall. To a farmer with dry crops, it's a miracle. To a child whose birthday party is ruined, it's a disaster. Same rain, different perspective. This is the secret engine of every story we read. Who is telling it and why? Authors choose a viewpoint or point of view. Sometimes it's a character in the story, using I. We're stuck in their head, seeing only what they see. Other times, a narrator floats outside the story. Maybe they focus on just one person's thoughts, or maybe they're all-knowing, like a god, dipping into every character's mind. And every character sees the world through their own unique lens, built from their past experiences and values. A character who has survived a shipwreck will see a small wave differently than someone who has never been to the beach. A character who values honesty above all will judge a small lie more harshly. But what if the storyteller can't be trusted? This is the unreliable narrator. They might be lying, confused, or just missing key facts. Suddenly, you're not just a reader, you're a detective, looking for clues in the text that don't match their version of events. Some of the most interesting stories show us the same event from two different angles. A character says a forest is dark and scary. Another says it is peaceful and quiet. The truth is usually found somewhere in the gap between their stories. This is more than just a writing trick. The author's choice of perspective is a tool for empathy. It puts us inside the head of someone we might not understand, making us feel for them even if we don't agree with their actions. So next time you read, ask yourself, how would this scene change if it were told by the villain? You might find that the real story is never just one story.